Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to discuss the daily 5 arithmetic series. So actually today I thought of doing the mains level arithmetic question. So if possible I try to make weekly one arithmetic sessions. So let's get started. The length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio of 7:3 respectively. Owner constructed a garden 2.5 meter wide running all around the outside of the land, which has an area of 275 meters square. If he is fencing the garden with metal at the rate of rupees 10 per meter, then what is the total cost occurred by the landlord to fence the garden around the land from outside and inside both? So you can see according to the question, so there is a rectangular path means which is the field, so which is having an area of 275 meters square, okay, and he is constructing the garden outside this field, okay, and so that he is going to extend 2.5 meter wide along the breadth here, that is 2.5, and also he is going to expand this here with the 2.5 and 2.5 meter. So therefore this length will become 7a plus 5, means if I assume this as since they had given it as 7:3 respectively, means the ratio of the length and breadth of the rectangle. So here the 7a will be the length and 3a will be the breadth, okay. So after expanding this length and breadth, it will become 7a plus 5, this is the length, and 3a plus 5, and this is the breadth, okay. And since they had given the area of the rectangle field, that is 7 3s are 21a square, that will be equal to the area of the rectangle, which is 275. And also here the area of this rectangle along with the garden will be 3a plus 5 into 7a plus 5. So after simplifying this, 21a square plus 35 plus 15a plus 25. So that will be equal to 21a square plus 50a plus 25. So as you can see, so here he is constructing the garden around this rectangular field, and also he is constructing the fence with the metal, means he is constructing the fence here and here. So for this we have to subtract this area from this full area, okay. That means 21a square plus 50a plus 25, which is the area of the outer rectangle, minus the area of the inside rectangle. So then I will get like minus 21 square will be equal to 275. So that is 50a is equal to 275, and if I subtract this I will get a will be equal to 5, okay. So after substituting the a here and here, so it will be 7 5s are 35 and 3 5s are 15, okay. So that is what I did here. And since they had asked what is the total cost occurred by the landlord to fence the garden around the land from the outside and inside the both, means we have to calculate the cost for putting fence for this garden outside, and also he's putting fence for inside also. So in order to get that, we need to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. So that is 2l plus b, means here the perimeter of the first rectangle will be 2 7a plus 3a, that is 235 plus 15 will be equal to 100, okay. And here this rectangle, outside rectangle, that is 2 into 40 plus 20. Here this is 5 3 is 15 plus 5 will be 30 plus 5 will be equal to 20, and 7 5 is 35 plus 5 will be equal to 40. So then we will get 120, and we have to calculate the cost outside and inside fencing. So that's why I have added here 100 plus 120 will be 220, and the cost per meter will be 10. So after multiplying this I will get 2200. So this is the answer. So next question, respective ratio of the work done by k minus 3 workers in k plus 1 days and work done by k plus 1 workers in k minus 6 days is 5:4. Find the respective ratio of the work done by k plus 4 workers in k minus 8 days and k workers in k minus 7 days. So here we can see they have given the ratio of the work done by this workers in this time and this workers in this time, that is 5:4. So I have written k minus 3 into k plus 1, means number of workers into number of days they are working. He divided by the work done by k plus 1 in k minus 6 days will be 4. So after simplifying this, multiplying this, I will get the value as this is 4k minus 12 and so I didn't return the calculation here. So the k will be equal to 18. Therefore, the required ratio will be 22 into 10 is to 11 into 18. Because we got the value of k as 18 and they have asked the work done by k plus 4 workers. K plus 4 means this 18 plus 4 will be 22 and they will do the work in k minus 8 days, that is in 18 minus 8, that will be 10 and that will be is to then k workers means 18 workers in k minus 7 days, means 18 minus 7, it will be 11. Okay, so after simplifying this I will get 10:9. Next, a sum of dash is divided among the 4 friends A, B, C and D, and amount received by A and C are in the ratio of 7:4. Amount received by D is 40% more than the amount received by B. C received rupees 320, which is 62 by 3% more than the share of B. Okay, and these are the options. See, so since let's solve this question by option wise. See, I have taken the total amount as 2000 and this 2000 we have to divide it among the 4 friends, that is A, B, C, D, and they have also given that the ratio between the A and C will be 7:4. So this is the ratio of A and C, that is 7x and 4x. Okay, and also they had given that the ratio between the B and C. Since this 62 by 3 means 6.66%, and we know that 6.66% will be equal to 1 by 15. Okay, or you can even take see, you can directly calculate this, because since they had given that C received rupees 320 here, so this 320 will be equal to this 4x and that is equal to 80, means x will be equal to 80. So if x is 80, therefore this 7 plus 4 will be 11 and 11 8s are 88, that is 880, plus if I add this I will get 12y, that is equal to 2000. Okay, and here I have written this 12y, that is 5y and 7y, because here you can see that the D is amount received by D is 40% of more than that of the received by B, means we know that 40% will be equal to 2 by 5. Therefore D will be 7 and B will be 5. So that's what I have written here. Okay, and after simplifying this you can see this 12 will not divide this, so this options doesn't hold true here. So let's take another option. So if the total amount is 1800 and here the ratio will remain same, that is 7:4 of A and C, and here you can see the relation between B and D, there is 5y and 7y. So here after solving this I got x is equal to 80. So in everywhere you will get the x is equal to 80 only, because they had given the ratio and that ratio remains the same in all the cases. Then we know that here you can see this 320 will be equal to they had given some ratio percentage value. This means 17 by 16 of that of B. So if I do this, still I didn't get the correct answer here, because we won't get the value for y correctly here. So let's check next option, 1600. And also we know that the ratio between A and C will be 7x and 4x. So then B and D will be 5y and 7y. So here we can see if I add this 11x plus 12y, that will be equal to the total 1600. And also we know that 320, 4x will be equal to 320, and we will get the x value as 80. Okay, so if I get the x value as 80, let's substitute here. Means like I already told you that the value will, if I add this, I will get 880. And if I subtract 880 from 1600, I will get 720. So therefore 12y will be equal to 720 and y will be equal to 60. So this is the option which gives the correct answer here, because you can see here we got x value also and y value also. So if I substitute the values of both these values in this equation, or any like this equation, so we will get the value that will be equal to 1600. See, I have checked also. So here we know that x is 80 and this is 11. So 11 means 7 8s are 560, and 4x 4 8s are 32 320, and also this is 5y and y is 60. So 5 6 are 30 300, and 7 6 are 42 420, and if I add this I will get 1600. Therefore this is the correct option for this question. So next, get into the next question. Sum of the three integers p, q and r is 10, and 3 power 4 by p minus 5 is the smallest even perfect square. Where 1 is added to q, then it is divisible by r. If r is greater than 1, then r plus 5 will lie between what? Okay, and these are the options. So let's solve this. See, they have said smallest even perfect square. So the thing is, since they have mentioned that it's a even perfect square number, means square number, it after squaring minus 2 also and plus 2 also, we will get 4 only. So that's why I have taken 4 here. Therefore 3 4 by p minus 5 will be equal to 4. Okay, and after solving this I will get 3 4 by p, that is equal to 9. So here you can see that in RHS side we have 9. So this must be equal. LHS and RHS should be equal. So you have to think like, what should I put here so that I will get the value 9. So here, since this is in the form like pth root of 3 power 4 will be equal to 9, and here we can see 4 by p, that is equal to 9. And here I have written that for pth root of 3 power 4 will be equal to 9. And if this number is 89 and if p is 2, then only this will be equal to 9. So that's why p will be equal to 2 only. And you can see they had given that p plus q plus r, that will be equal to 10. And since we got the value for p, we can substitute here and we will get q plus r will be equal to 8. And also they have mentioned that in the question r must be greater than 1. Okay, so I have taken here and check the values. If I put r is equal to 2, then q will be equal to 6. And they have said that if 1 is added to q, then it is divisible by r. So if 6 plus 1 means 7, and that is divided by r, which is 2, this is not divisible. And I have put the r is equal to 3 and q will be 5. Okay, then if I add 1 to this q, and that is divisible by this r, 3. Yes, this is true. Let's check other options also, like r is equal to 4 and q will be equal to 4. So if I add 4 plus 1, it will be 5, and divided by r, that is 4, so it is not divisible. And here I checked the value for 5 also, q will be 3, and 4 divided by 5 is not possible. And here also, like 2 plus 1 3 divided by 6, this is also not possible. Okay, and we got the value, like which value should I put in r and q. Okay, and in the question they have said like then r plus 5 will lie between. So here we got the value of r as 3, then we have to check which option will fit here. So we got the value of p, that is 2. 2 square, which is 4, and root q. So q is 5. So yes, root 5. So r plus 5 will be actually 8. So 8 will not lie between this. So this option ruled out. Okay. Then we'll check for the next option. So p will be 2 and q will be 5. This is 10. Okay. And q square will be 25. So here also 8 will not lies between these two numbers. So this is also false. Okay. So let's check the another option. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and q plus 2 means 5 plus 2 will be 7. So but actually we are having the answer r plus 5 as 8. So 8 will not lie between this. So this is also ruled out. And this is the last option. We have to check. Okay. This is 2. 2 cube will be 8 minus 1 will be 7. And here 2q. So we know that q value will be 5. And if I multiply it by 2, I will get 10. Therefore, this 8. R will be 8, which lies between this 7 and 10. Therefore, this is the correct option for this question. So next, getting to the today's last question, that is 5th question. The distance between 2 points is approximately 488 km. A boat travels between these 2 points upstream with a speed, that is in still water, of 33 km per hour, while the second boat travels between the same points, that is same 2 points downstream. Okay, and the difference in the time taken by the two boats is 7 hours. Okay, if the speed of the river is 1/3 of the still water speed of the second boat, then what is the speed of the river? And that should be which is a whole number. Okay, see here there is a 2 points are there, and the distance between those 2 points will be 488 km. Okay, and here there are 2 boats. One is traveling upstream and another boat is traveling downstream. Okay, but both of them is covering the same distance. Okay, so next I have written here the relation between the speed of the stream, still water, and upstream and downstream speed. So here the x denotes the speed of the boat downstream, and this is the speed of the stream, speed of the boat in still water, and this v is already I mentioned that the speed of the stream, and y will be the upstream speed of the boat A. Okay, so here they have mentioned that a boat travels between these 2 points upstream with a speed in still water of 33 km per hour. Okay, this speed of the boat in still water will be 33, and we don't know what is the speed of the stream. So that's why I have taken it as v and v here. Okay, and we know that the upstream speed will be 33 plus v, and this downstream speed will be 33 minus v. Okay, and also we know that I also have written the ratio values for the second boat also. Like this is the upstream speed, so downstream speed of the boat 2, and this is the speed of the stream, speed of the boat B in still water, and this is the speed of the stream and the speed of the boat in going upstream. Okay, because I got this value here, you can see that if the second boat, if the speed of the river is 1/3 of the still water speed of the second boat. Okay, so this speed of the stream is 1/3 of the speed of the still water. So that's why if this is 1 and this is 3, that's why I have written it as 4v, 1v, 3v, 1v and 2v respectively. Okay, and here we can see they had given that the difference in the time taken by both the boats is 7 hours. Means here this is the distance. Since they had given it the distance as 488 km respectively, so I have taken it as approximated to 490 km because it will be easy for simplification. Okay, so 490 divided by the upstream speed of the boat 1, that is 33 minus v, minus 490 divided by the speed of the second boat in downstream. Okay, and here, or you can even take as 490 divided by the downstream speed of the boat B minus 490 divided by the 33 minus V, which is the upstream speed of the boat A. So that will be equal to 7. So here I have taken the two cases because They only mentioned that the difference in the time taken by both the boats is 7 hours. Means they didn't they did not mention that which boat takes more time, or which boat is having the speed high. So like that they haven't mentioned anything. So since it is a difference, it may be like a minus b or b minus a, so like that condition. So that's why I have taken the two cases here. Okay, so let's solve this. So that is if I multiply this, I will get 2v square minus 241v plus 1155 will be equal to 0. So from this I will get the value of v will be 5 and 115.5, or from this equation I will get 2v square plus 109v minus 1155 will be equal to 0. That is v will be equal to 63.58 and 9.08. So since in the question they have mentioned clearly that the speed of the river is a whole number only. So here this is decimal, this is also decimal, this is also decimal. So this is the only value which is a whole number. Therefore the speed of the river will be 5 km/h. So that's it for today. I am done with the daily 5 arithmetic series. So today I covered the mains level. So hope it helps. Follow for more, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for the more content like this.